Hello everybody, today I'll be running some experiments with the async def function in PyBricks. Let's start with my experiment setup. My robot is charged to 100%, the black tape measures 1 meter. We're using a hard flooring to mimic first LEGO League and World Robot Olympiad map conditions, and we are using the advanced driving base with 2 attached motors, one in the front and one in the back. Let's begin. This is part 1, explanation of multitask. There are 2 types of tasks you can initiate in PyBricks, sequential tasks and multitasks. Sequential tasks are in order and takes a lot of time. Multitasks save time and is more efficient. This is my observations and conclusion of using sequential tasks and multitasks. The multitask takes 4 seconds roughly, and it has an efficiency rating of 10 out of 10 if it is coded properly. We're using the software PyBricks Beta version 3.1.2, and with the sequential tasks takes a whopping 7 seconds, and it's really slow, and I gave it a 4 out of 10 on the efficiency rating. We're using the same software PyBricks Beta version 3.1.2. My observations are, using the async def function, the robot accomplishes its 3 tasks in 4 seconds instead of 7. This is approximately 40% less time. My suggestion is to use multitasking wherever possible to make your runs faster. This is part 2, using variables. The code below uses hard-coded values. Using variables instead of hard-coded values will allow more flexibility and reuse of this function in other parts of the program or other programs. Let's see how to do this. How do we create variables for this function? This is back motor underscore speed, which is degrees per second. This is a back motor underscore angle, which is measured in degrees. This is front motor underscore speed, which is done in degrees per second. And this is front motor underscore angle, which is recorded in degrees. This is straight distance, which is measured in millimeters or mm. And to change the speed and acceleration of straight movement, we will add the following command and 2 more variables, linear speed and linear acceleration. This is the explanation for multitasking code using variables. Step 1. We first set all of the variables. Front motor.speed, front motor underscore speed, front motor underscore angle, back motor underscore speed, back motor underscore angle, linear distance, linear speed, and linear acceleration. Step 2. In the code, we will define the function using these variables. Straight underscore speed, bumblebee.settings. Straight underscore speed equals linear speed and straight acceleration equals the linear acceleration. Back motor.run angle equals back motor.run angle, back motor underscore speed, back motor angle, front motor speed, front motor angle. There's so many. And step 3. Remember to set the speed and acceleration settings to the next robot move. Thank you.